Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you Apple CarPlay add-on to a Mercedes E-Class 2012. So we have added the Apple CarPlay to the factory screen. You do have the options to add a touchscreen if you want, but in this case the customer didn't want the touchscreen. He preferred to use the jog controller that you have for the original radio. So we can follow here, you can press the enter. We can go to the music. If we put the volume up, we'll have the music in the back. Okay, we can go to the back. We can go here to our maps. If we have the ways, pretty much everything you can control from your jog. And this is an add-on to the factory screen. We're going to show you in the next video. For the same vehicle, we also added the Android Auto. For more details, prices and other options, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.